So good evening, good evening, good evening. We are back again. We have signed yet another player, and the summer spend is up to 260 million now, putting that nearly on 700 million combined since this manager's arrived. No expectations though, don't worry, don't need to win anything. But anyway, we have signed an absolutely top-class goalkeeper, and a goalkeeper that I think we can all agree is better than the current goalkeeper. And that is saying I've always wanted. I've been bleating on this channel, sign players better than the starting 11. So well done. Their club are obviously listening to me, which is fantastic. Make sure you are subscribing to the channel. Make sure you are sticking a like on the video. Share the content far and wide. Make sure you get your super chats and your comments in down below. Also, I've just dropped a video about Harry Maguire and Lucas Paqueta on the other channel. Lee Reacts, link in description. I'm doing a watch along on that channel for the Burnley Man City game at the weekend, well, Friday night. So make sure you come and check that out. I'll be doing a lot more watch alongs on that channel going forward as well. I want to build that channel up to this level of subscriber base and viewing audience, which would be great because then, well, as it stands, that channel, we don't speak about Arsenal on that channel. And if we do, it's just a little one sentence. It's not an Arsenal channel. It's talking about all the other clubs. So yeah, this profiting off of negativity has gone right out the window with that channel. So yeah, the quicker we can boost that up to 80k subs, the better. Then I can maybe make this the second channel. maybe that's a good idea. But anyway, Arsenal have agreed a deal worth close to 30 million for Brentford goalkeeper David Raya. Is expected to complete his move to the Emirates in time for the new season. Raya's arrival will mean Arsenal secure a long-term target. They made multiple bids for the Spain international in the summer 2020, but could not reach an agreement with Brentford, who were battling to secure promotion from the Championship. 3 years on, Mikel has got his man, and Brentford have achieved a significant return for a player who cost 2.7 million when they signed him from Blackburn. Wow. Earlier in the summer, Raya, who made it clear he would not extend his contract beyond next year, had been targeted by Tottenham Hotspur. But they were unwilling to meet Brentford's demands. Now, Man United and Chelsea also monitored the situation. Monitored. Oh my God, we're monitoring it. No, shut up. Yeah, monitoring the situation. It sounds better if they throw Chelsea and Man United in as well, doesn't it? No, they weren't. They have signed Mark Flecken from Freiburg as his replacement. Raya will take the squad place vacant by Matt Turner, who was signed for Nottingham Forest, by the way. Adios to you, mate. Good luck at Forest. But yeah, I think we're getting around 10 million quid for him. The arrival of such expensive competition, which pushes Arsenal's spending towards 240 million. Is it 200? Is it? I thought it was more than that. 65 on Havertz. 100 on Declan Rice. That's 165. 165. 190. Yeah, it is around 230. Yeah, around 230. Roughly 225, something like that. That's not bad though, is it? To get that many decent players for that little value, really. Like, I know it sounds a lot of money, but when you actually look at the quality of the player, take Havertz out of the equation, because he's just crap. But if you actually look at the level of the players we're signing, top players, Declan Rice, Timber, and this goalkeeper. But anyway, the Arsenal goalkeeping coach, Inaki Kanya, worked closely with Raya during his own time at Brentford. Arteta may feel that two high-quality goalkeepers, both of whom are known for their distribution, will be required for his dual tilts at the Premier League and Champions League. Arsenal aim to sell some more players. I wanted to talk about that as well. We have literally sold barely anyone. Granit Xhaka's gone, Tina Turner's gone, and Pablo Mari's gone. That's it. We've got around 40 million quid in for them, roughly 35, 40 million. So this signing, we've basically got for nothing because we're getting that money back in for Xhaka, Pablo Mari, and Tina Turner. So this is almost like a freebie without being a freebie when we're balancing. But we've still got Pepe here. We've still got Cedric Suarez here. We've still got Sambi Lokonga here. Smith Rowe's still here. I'd personally cash in on him. We've still got Balogun here. Still got a lot of dead wood here. A lot of players that shouldn't be here. Tierney could be one that's going. He's linked to Real Sociedad. Hopefully that deal happens because I will fully go and watch them play. My left back. But yeah, that would be nice if he came to Spain. Where is Sociedad? Real Sociedad. Where is it? I think it's near Barcelona. Let's have a look. Ah, it's near Bilbao. Okay, it's in the... Okay, I get it. San Sebastian. Okay, I get it. Jeez, that's miles away. That's right up the north of the country. Wow. Okay. Okay, I understand now. Well, either way, it might be a day trip. We could go and do a vlog for the second channel. Lee reunited with Tierney. But yeah, another one that most likely could be leaving. Zinchenko, Timber at left back. There'll be the cover there. Tomiyasu and Ben White at right back. Although Timber can play right back, Tommy can play left, all of that. I don't really want Tomiyasu here, but I know he ain't going anywhere. Then centre backs, we've obviously got Saliba, Gabriel. We've got, what's the guy's name? It's gone, the Polish guy that we signed. What's his name? Jakob Kivior. That's it. We've got him. Ben White can obviously play at centre back. Tomiyasu apparently can play at centre back, although we've never seen it. And Timber can play at centre back. So I think we're kind of covered defensively. We've got the goalkeepers now. Midfield, I still think we're light. Yeah, I still think we are light. And I actually said this the other day. I think it was with Rance. I said we'll probably end up signing Douglas Luiz as a little bit of a squad filler. And lo and behold, today we're linked to Douglas Luiz again. It's almost like they watch my channel and then go, oh, well, he got loads of views on that video, so we'll go with that. Or he was on that channel and they're saying that, so we'll go with that. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. But I'm happy with the signing of this guy. I also think we need a striker. And I know we ain't going to get a striker, but we've got a midfielder in, we've got a defender in, got a goalkeeper in, and we've got Kai Havertz in. Yeah, we need a striker. We need another midfielder, in my opinion. I also want to ask, well, obviously, leave your comments and thoughts and all of that. How good is the goalkeeper? I'm not going to rate him as oh my God, he's one of the best in the world, because I've seen our fans are absolutely bent backwards weirdos, mate. Like, honestly, the most tapped fans I've ever seen in any sport on the planet. Now he's one of the top goalkeepers in the world. He's top 5 goalkeeper. Now we've got 2 of the top 5 Premier League goalkeepers in our squad. Oh, the competition for goalkeepers is insane. We've got the best duo of keepers. Do me a favour. So we've got the best duo of keepers. We've got the best right winger in the league. We've got the best defenders in the league. We've got the best midfielders in the league. Best manager in the league. But we're not expected to win anything. Like, it is weird, isn't it? Right, and I want to ask a question as well. Because I've seen all of these super fans chatting the biggest amount of crap I've ever seen in my life, excluding Turkish out of this. Big up my boy Turkish. But everybody else, I'm seeing put us, and I know Turkish put us in the Champions League final. Yeah, but listen, Turkish, my boy, I'm never going to coat him off. Yeah, but who started this Champions League semis, Champions League final? We're going to get to the semis on the final because it's everywhere. Whoever started it, yeah, seriously, whoever started that, now there is millions of people that have got no thought process of their own, running around mimicking that, spamming everyone's chats. Oh, Arsenal will bare minimum will be Champions League semi. Sorry, it won't. We've only ever been to 2 semis in that competition in our history. One we progressed and made the final. The other one we got pammed by Man United, which, by the way, we had a better team then, and it was younger than the squad we got now. Just saying. But who started this? And why does everyone mimic it? Why? Oh, well, Robbie said it, so oh, yes, Champions League semi. Grow up. Like, honestly. Yeah, no, I'm sorry. We ain't getting Champions League semi. No chance in a million years. In what way does anyone genuinely believe that we are going to get a Champions League semi or a final? We can't beat Olympiacos. We can't beat Villarreal. We can't beat Sporting Lisbon. Oh, yeah, but Lee, we're not going to play our reserves in that competition, which is exactly why we're not going to make it to the semi-finals, because we're going to be concentrating on the league than the Champions League, and we're going to get more injured players by doing that because these players have not played 2 games a week. We were rotating and putting the reserves out. Bukayo Saka looks absolutely worn out already. Yeah, will probably be finished by the time he's 25 if he keeps playing 70 games a season. We still ain't got a striker that can bag consistently. And when it comes to the crunch, this football club folds. So I'm sorry, whoever started this, oh my God, I think we can get to the Champions League semis. That's the bare minimum. Yeah, I want to also say as well, why are people sitting there saying, oh yeah, League Cup semi-final minimum? I thought that was a cup that was beneath Arsenal Football Club. So why'd you care about it? Why didn't you say, nah, don't even enter it? Why is it a bare minimum that we have to get to a semi or a final of the League Cup? You didn't care about the League Cup. It was beneath a club like Arsenal. I don't want to see that channel do any content, by the way, for the League Cup. And if they do, I'm going to rip the shit out of them every single time. Yeah, spreading out fake positivity, yeah, to millions of absolute weirdos that will just follow and say everything that they say, pandering for the football club so they can get in and have free lunches and dinners inside the ground, yeah, and get into a press conference. But then when we don't win the League Cup, sit there twerking that Man United, oh yeah, oh no, we've had a better season than you. We were in a title race, mate. Trophies, no trophies. And the League Cup's beneath a club like Arsenal. I do not want to see them do any content for that competition. I don't want to see them do any content for that competition. Because if it's beneath a club like Arsenal, you won't want to make money out of it. You won't want to do watch-alongs. You won't want to do fan cams because it's beneath a club like Arsenal. So surely it's beneath your fan channel, mate. Yeah, trust me, I'm on them all season. And anyway, I'm going to the beach. Have a wonderful day, people. Have a blessed afternoon, whatever it is you're doing. Let me know your thoughts about the League Cup. Leave it in the comment section. Is it beneath a club like Arsenal? Are we getting a Champions League semi? Oh, let's gnaw off everything the club does so I can get inside it. Divs. Absolute scumbag channel, man. And I'm going to ruin their little vibes every single time. Don't be there doing League Cup content. And on that bombshell, I'm out of here. Have a wonderful day. Ciao.